This is the best Nigerian pancake you can make, and it's so easy. You only need 3 eggs. You need 150 mils of milk. You can use semi-skim milk. You can use full cream milk. You can use evaporated milk, but do not use condensed milk. And we are using 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can decide to adjust the ingredients to your taste. A handful of shredded carrot, a handful of onions, and 1 tablespoon of red and green bell peppers. That is what I'm using. I'm just going to add 150 gram of flour and half teaspoon of salt, and that is for that. I didn't add salt to my recipe, but you can decide to add not more than half teaspoon of salt. You wouldn't want your pancake to be too salty. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here today before, good to have you here once again. I'm dabbing my fry pan with butter. I just put some butter on my kitchen towel, rubbing it on my fry pan. If you are using a non-stick pan, please do this. It will help you fry your pancakes without them getting burnt or getting stuck to your fry pan. I added a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I'm using a quarter cup size. That's the quarter cup, 1/3 of a cup. That's what I'm using to fry my pancake because I want them to be even in size. So I'm going to be using this cup to measure my pancake all the way through. You can see me spreading my pancake in a circular motion on my pan. I am frying on medium to low heat. Once it is hard and cooked on one side, you flip to the other side. I love the touch of color the green bell peppers and the onions give to this recipe. You can try it out. You can decide to make it with any vegetable of your choice. Nigerian pancake is so easy. You do not need baking powder. So this is me frying all of them batch by batch, and boom, our yummy pancake is ready. It's so good, guys. It tasted so yummy. This can be for breakfast. It won't take you time to make this for breakfast for your kids, even for yourself. It won't take you time. You can decide to skip the sugar, use a healthy kind of flour like oat flour instead of the regular flour to get yourself a healthy breakfast recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and this one is for you. Come on, take a bite. See you next time. Bye bye. Good to have you here.